Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the NASDAQ 100 futures chart. But as it's the weekend, I thought I would just announce that earlier on this week our trading platform got approved by the App Store. So you can now go onto the App Store and type down Daily Market Movements and find our very own trading platform. You can create an account. We're also supported on web browsers as I'll show you in front of you. We have plenty of advantages compared to other brokers. For example, our margin stop out is down at 30%, not 50%. We have 1 to 100 leverage. We offer over 150 instruments. We offer cryptos, the likes of oil, gold, indices, stocks. We have it all. So definitely go and check it out. You can go onto our website, dailymarketmovementstrading.com. I've left the website link in the description of today's video, and that's where you can either go and create a demo account or a live account to go and check our platform out. So if you've got time over the weekend, I would highly recommend doing that. But let's look at the NASDAQ 100. Now the markets have closed on Monday. The US stock market is closed due to national holiday. But of course the futures will remain open, but there will be very low volatility. So NASDAQ's down at 14,000. That's where we kind of ended the week. Horrible week. We've just slid so far down over the past 5 days. And it looks to me that we are going to, or we perhaps already have gone and retested those lows back on the 24th of January 2024. You know, one could argue that, you know, we don't actually have to go down to 13,700 to go and test the lows, as there was a lot of noise around this area here, which is at 13,950. And where did we get yesterday? We went all the way down to 13,930. So this wedge that was initially in place can now be withdrawn as we've broken towards the downside of it. And it looks to me more as if we are just trying to find a temporary floor here. And the big question is this going to be the floor, or is the floor going to look more like this? And what I hope is that it looks like the latter one, which is of course that 13,900 floor. And you know, on Friday we could have just seen the worst. But at the same time, it's highly likely or highly possible that we could potentially go and test 13,700, and it's only 1.72% away towards the downside. And we could even briefly pierce below it. It's actually quite a normal move that on a double bottom pattern you do see you know, a slight pierce towards the downside, and that's because it could be seen as an ABC correction. For those who don't know what a ABC correction is, it's all to do with the Elliott wave. So you could just easily go up and draw your 5 waves up at the top there, and then if I just get the ABC correction, if I just find it quickly, here we go, ABC correction. So obviously from the top you've got your A leg there, you've got your B leg as your retracement, and then one rule for the C leg is that the C leg has to always end lower than the A leg, whether it be that much or that much. It's hard to really tell, but the C leg always ends a little bit lower. So perhaps let's just say that took us down to 13,500 and we did just slightly pierce below it. Well, then that would then mark the end of the correction, and then you will see yourself trade back up towards that B leg, and then once you break above there, you go back towards those all-time highs going into the latter end of 2022. So very hopeful that next week we will try and bounce back here. I think right now is the golden opportunity to buy the NASDAQ 100 in 2022. And you might be saying, well, Max, you were saying this back in January 24th, and that is correct, but is the market trading lower than January 24th at this moment in time? No, it's not. So I'm actually still just in profit from those positions that I opened on January 24th, and I'm very, very hopeful that we will bounce here. So I have put all of my cash pile to work now. I'm sitting in zero cash. I have literally invested every single penny that I own, and I'm very, very hopeful that we will trade up towards the highs of 2021 going into the latter end of 2022. And I'm still very confident that the market could end in higher single-digit percentage gains for the end of 2022. You know, I mentioned it during yesterday's video that at this moment in time, the market has priced in so much negativity. We've got 7 interest rate hikes priced into the market. We've got a potential war with Russia and Ukraine priced in. We've got sanctions priced in. Okay, there's a lot of good surprises we could potentially have. Let's say if Putin did come to an agreement with the West with regards to Ukraine joining NATO, and Putin really did start to withdraw the troops. What if inflation started to actually come down? What if there wasn't 7 rate hikes? What if there was only 6 or 5? These could be potential catalysts that could send the markets back towards those all-time highs. So I really don't see too much more downside risk here for the markets. I definitely favour upside risk, and I am extremely bullish here for the NASDAQ100. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. But just before I let you leave, I just want to quickly show you our brand new streaming service. We've recently launched this website that you can see in front of you. This is where we provide in-depth analysis videos as well as trading signals via our Telegram group chat. Once subscribed, you'll then have access to all of our in-depth analysis videos as well as access to our private Telegram group chat. We cover various markets such as commodities, US stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. We also have a video category where we provide educational content so that you can improve your trading skills. If this sounds appealing to you, then you can find our website link in the description of this YouTube video at dailymarketmovements.com. If not, then I would just like to take this time to say thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Please give my channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon.